Hi, scientists, and welcome back to Mrs. Knight's science class. Today, we are going to talk about landforms. And let's remember that the big question for this unit is what are attributes of different landforms and how can we identify each of them? Let's think about and remember what the word attributes means. An attribute of a landform is a characteristic that describes that landform. For this lesson, which is day 140, what are some qualities of a landform is our guiding question. Let's watch this video and think about one thing that you find interesting to share when we're done.
This is Earth. Maybe you've heard of it. I sure hope so, because you live on one of its 7 continents. Some of the most diverse habitats can be found in North America. From the Aleutian Islands to the Isthmus of Panama, North America is made up of 23 countries and is the 3rd largest continent in the world. There are huge mountain ranges in the west, including the Rocky Mountains in the United States and the Sierra Madre mountain range in Mexico. In the middle of the continent, you'll find the Great Plains of the United States and Canada. These grasslands make up the largest biome in North America. Further north, you'll find the Canadian Shield, a hilly region of lakes and swamps that stretches across northern Canada with rocks that are 1 billion years old. The eastern regions of North America contain everything from mountains to wetlands, including the Florida Everglades, a diverse ecosystem, home to over 20 rare, endangered, and threatened species. And if you're looking for fun in the sun, head to the Caribbean, home to islands, islets, reefs, and caves with more than 44 million people. Even further south is Central America, which has some of the most beautiful rainforests and exotic animals, like the poison dart frog, ocelot, tapir, capuchin monkey, and jaguar. With so many diverse ecosystems, there are a variety of animals that live throughout North America. Bison, scorpions, pronghorn, armadillos, groundhogs, crocodiles, black bears, great white sharks, and the American bald eagle. Then check out Lake Superior in Michigan. It's the world's largest freshwater lake. There are so many awesome places to visit in North America, like the Grand Canyon in the United States, Chichen Itza in Mexico, and Niagara Falls in Canada and the United States. With environments and wildlife as diverse as its population, there's no place quite as unique as North America.
Turn to your partner and share one thing that you noticed about North America. I noticed that it was very beautiful, but also that the Grand Canyon is in the United States. That is an amazing landform to see. I've never seen it in person, but maybe you have. Share with a partner. In today's lesson, you will explore details of different views in nature that are considered landforms. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to answer the following questions. What type of landforms are found in different habitats like deserts, forests, tropical habitats, and the tundra? What are some of the qualities, or like we said earlier, the attributes of landforms? And how are they created? So let's review. Yesterday we learned that a landform is a feature of Earth's surface, such as a mountain, a cliff, or a valley. Think about the qualities of landforms in the next video we're going to watch. Look at these pictures. These are real pictures of real landforms. What do you notice?
The surface of the Earth is covered by land and water. We have special names for different kinds of natural features, or landforms. on the Earth's surface. Come explore with me the Earth's landforms. The two largest types of landforms are continents and oceans. Continents are any one of the largest land masses in the world. Traditionally, the Earth is divided into 7 continents. From largest to smallest, they are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Oceans are large areas of salt water between the continents. Let's take a look now at some of the different landforms and bodies of water that cover our planet. Mountains are some of the biggest and most recognizable landforms. They have steep sides and high peaks that stand out from the land around them. Smaller, less steep landforms are called hills. Mountains are usually formed when rock layers are pushed together from opposite sides, forcing the land up in the middle. The low areas between mountains are called valleys. An island is a piece of ground that is completely surrounded by water. Islands can be big or small. In any part of the landform is a plain. Plains are large areas of flat land with no hills or mountains in them. The Great Plains in the mid-United States is a good example of a large plain.
Now it's your turn to start exploring. You can explore on your own or with a peer. You are going to have a chance and an opportunity to choose how you explore the landforms. Tic-tac-toe is 3 in a row. The star is going to be done last. So let's say you want to choose landforms virtual field trip. You have the star in the middle, and then you have the read aloud. You must have the star within your choice. Click the image or the down arrow key to be brought to the Tic-Tac-Toe Student Choice Board of Landform Explorations. Move to the next slide. Choose 2 explorations and the center star to make 3 in a row, a tic-tac-toe. Follow the directions to complete 2 explorations. Complete the 3-2-1 summary, which is the star choice, by clicking the star in the center of the board. Move to the summarize slide to complete it on your own. So let's give it a try. Here you go. Let's say you choose landforms. You will be brought to the directions slide. Click the image to start the activity. Click through the slides to complete this activity. On your first slide, you will see the back to the choice board. You can click that at any time and you will be brought back to the choice board. You also have this down arrow, which means click to the next slide. I'm going to click the image and here we are. Landforms, a waterfall. Here's my down arrow or button, but I can also click the down arrow on my keyboard. When you are finished, you go to the next one. I'll click read aloud and I'm brought to the read aloud page. Once you're back at the Tic-Tac-Toe choice board and you have completed 2 of the activities exploring landforms, you can then click the star. Once you have completed 2 of the activities on the Tic-Tac-Toe board, you can now click the star and go to the 3-2-1 summary. You can double click inside the box, move your cursor to the right position, and type in complete sentences, 3 observations you made from the images, 2 interesting facts you learned from the text, and 1 question you still have. What are you still curious about landforms for further research? You can then go to the exit ticket and complete your exit ticket. Have so much fun exploring landforms, and don't forget to turn in your work.